Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to set a custom ringtone on your iPhone without using iTunes or a custom computer. It's totally 100% free. Okay, so step 1 is, at first go to the App Store and find the app that is GarageBand. It's an Apple's official music editing app, completely free. You can download here and open the app. And step 2 is, you will need the audio mp3 file that you want to set as your ringtone. So you should be downloaded in your files app. Like this is my files. I want to set this music, Sony old phone ringtone, like this. So I want to set this tune to my ringtone, iPhone ringtone. So open GarageBand. Okay, so you can see this is home page, and click on tracks and then choose audio recorder and click here, and here point your iPhone towards the sound you want to record. So you just click OK and choose the mic section. Okay, click on this button, this, and if this button is selected, then you need to deselect it and choose this button, this. Okay, you can see the Apple loops option or files option. You need to go files option. After that, click on browse items from the file app. After clicking here, you see your ringtone that you downloaded previously. So I downloaded this music, Sony old phone ringtone. So I select it, and here you can see the mp3 file is listed. So tap on this mp3 file and drag down. Okay, now you can see the ringtone to this section, and when you play this tone like this, okay, it's play. So now click on this down arrow button and click on my songs, and here you can see my songs that you created. Here you tap on these songs and click on share button. After share, tap the ringtone. Tap to create a custom ringtone for your iPhone. Tap ringtone, and here you can set your name of your ringtone. I set is Sony, and click on export. You can see exporting as ringtone. Okay, ringtone export successful. Okay, and everything done. Now I want to set this ringtone as my default ringtone. So go to ringtone section and tap sounds and haptics, then click on ringtones, and here you can see Sony ringtone listed here that you create. So if you tap on this, you can see it's play properly, and that's the custom ringtone that you set. Okay, now you have your custom ringtone on your iPhone. No iTunes, no computer, no stress, right? So if this helped you, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much. Till then, take care.